need to quickly classify if a comment is toxic without writing complex prompt engineering. You'll see how to define a simple DSPy signature that maps a comment to a Boolean toxicity label, then execute it with a single predict call. The example will process a basic input string and return the classification result in one line.
Toxicity equals DSPy, predict. DSPy signature. Comment toxic, bool. Instructions equals mark as toxic if the comment includes insults, harassment, or sarcastic derogatory remarks. Comment equals you are beautiful. Toxicity, comment equals comment, toxic.
This demonstrates DSPy's declarative task specification pattern, where language model behavior is defined through a structured signature rather than manual prompt engineering. The code creates a toxicity classifier by specifying a simple input-output relationship, comment to toxic Boolean, alongside plain language instructions, all contained within a signature object. The distinctive aspect is how the task requirements are expressed as a self-describing contract that separates the what classification goal from the how model execution. The pattern works by using the signature as a high-level descriptor that the predict module consumes. The field names comment, toxic, and type hints, bool, establish semantic roles, while the instructions provide task-specific guidance, all without embedding these details in the prediction call itself. This keeps the main code focused on the domain problem, toxicity detection, while deferring the actual model interaction to DSPy's built-in components. This approach simplifies prompt management by making the task's intent explicit in the code structure. Instead of constructing prompts manually or scattering logic across configuration files, the signature consolidates the specification into a single, reusable definition. The result is cleaner separation between task definition and execution, where changes to the classification criteria only require updates to the signature rather than rewriting prompt templates. Let's break it down line by line.
Toxicity equals DSPy, predict.
This instantiates a DSPy, predict, classifier named toxicity using the signature we just defined. It sets up the structure for toxicity detection, but doesn't execute any prediction yet. That happens when we call toxicity with actual input. The signature defines the expected input-output format, while predict provides the base classification functionality.
DSPy signature.
This defines the input-output schema for the toxicity classifier using DSPy. Signature, declaring that the model takes a comment, string, and returns a Boolean toxic flag. The embedded instructions provide task-specific guidance to the underlying model during inference.
Comment toxic, bool.
This defines the function signature for toxicity detection, specifying that the input is a comment string and the output is a Boolean toxic flag. It establishes the expected data flow for the prediction task in a human-readable format.
Instructions equals mark as toxic if the comment includes insults, harassment, or sarcastic derogatory remarks.
This defines the classification rules for the toxicity detector. The instructions specify that a comment should be marked as toxic if it contains insults, harassment, or sarcastic derogatory remarks, providing clear criteria for the binary decision.
Comment equals you are beautiful.
This assigns a non-toxic test comment to evaluate the classifier's behavior. The string, you are beautiful, serves as a clear negative case for toxicity detection.
Toxicity, comment equals comment, toxic.
This executes the toxicity predictor on the provided comment and extracts the Boolean result. The toxic attribute directly accesses the predicted output, returning whether the comment was classified as toxic. DSPy signature pattern. This code defines a single input Boolean classifier where a comment string is mapped to a toxicity flag using a fixed signature. The instructions parameter provides static guidance for the prediction, but doesn't demonstrate dynamic behavior or runtime adaptation. Signatures in DSPy use a string-based declaration format to specify input-output fields and their expected types.
The signature that names nothing answers everything.